Students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to new session of our class. This is Shahina. In the last class, we discussed about JavaScript variable, data types, and the operators used in the JavaScript language, etc. And we discussed one of the program example also. Today we move on control structures. The control structure, as in the term implies, refers the flow of execution of a program. There are three ways to change the control structures of a program. Conditional statement, also called conditional logic, looping control, and branch logic. The structure manipulates a block of JavaScript expressions beginning with opening brace and ending with closing brace. JavaScript block consisting of opening brace and closing brace. Very often when we write code, we want to perform different actions for different decisions. We can use conditional statement in our code to do this. In JavaScript, we have two conditional statements, if statement and switch statement. The if statement have some more variations. Simple if statement, if else statement, if else if statement. Simple if statement we use if you want to execute some code only if a specified condition is true. If you want to execute some code if the condition is true and another code if the condition is false, then we use if else statement. If you want to use multiple selection, multiple condition, we use if else if statement. Similarly, we use multi-way decision statement, switch statement. Another conditional statement is conditional operator statement. Conditional operator is a ternary operator which have three operands. One is for the condition and the true block and the false block. If statements syntax is similar to the syntax of C programming language or Java program. Here I notate a simple if else statement syntax. If condition, then true block, else false block. And also I depict an example of if else statement. Here I use a value x and check whether the value of x is negative or positive. If you want to check the value is positive or negative, we have two decisions based on one condition. So we use if else statement. Next we look on loop. All are familiar this concept in C. What is a loop? A loop or repeated loop is a group of statements that is repeated until a specified condition is met. Loop statements are very powerful programming tool. They allow more efficient program design. In JavaScript, there are 4 loop statements. While loop, do while loop, for loop, for in loop. All the loop must consist 3 things: incrementer, conditional expressions, logic to increase the incrementer so that the condition eventually turns to false. We look on each and every loops. While loop. While loop is used to execute a block of code while a certain condition is true. Do while loop is an exit controlled loop and it executes at least once. I hope all one know the concept. Entry controlled and exit controlled loop. While loop is entry controlled loop. Why it is called entry controlled loop? Because the condition must be evaluated, and if it is true, then only entering the body of the loop. This is for entry controlled. In exit controlled, first one, the body of the loop is executed. After that, only the condition is evaluated. For loop is used when there is a need to have counter of some kind. The counter is initialized before the loop starts, tested after each iteration to see if it is below a target value, and finally updated at the end of the loop. The final loop is for in loop. It is a new concept for you. It is similar to for loop, but it is mainly used for retrieving data present in the object. We will discuss later more detailed. The loop syntax shown in the PPT. The three loop syntax is similar to our C loops. While loop, while condition, body of the statement and closing brace. Do while loop, do, body of the loop, closing brace, while condition, and the for loop, for initialization, condition, and the increment and decrement portion, and the body of the loop. The for in loop syntax is quite different. For a variable name, in, object name, then body of the loop. Object name is the name of the object we want to retrieve data, which is stored in variable name. Next we look on another two important concept, break and continue. Break statement is used for jump out of loop, and continue statement is jumps over the loop. If you want to break our for loop or while loop for some certain condition, then we use break statement. If you want to skip some portion of a loop, we use continue statement. This is all about today's topic. Conditional statement and control statement and the break and continue statement. I hope all are get the idea. Please note, today you have an assignment. The assignment question is, what are the conditional statements used in JavaScript? What are the loop statement used in the JavaScript, and the break and continue usage? The detailed note on control structures used in JavaScript language. Write down the note and the syntax to your notebook and submit it through your Google Classroom. Thank you. Thank you for watching.